Leadership is defined not only by vision and strategy, but also by the behaviors we model and encourage. Recognizing the difference between behaviors that build trust and accountability and those that undermine them is essential for every leader.
Above-the-line behaviors are rooted in ownership, accountability, and a positive outlook. Leaders who demonstrate these behaviors take responsibility for outcomes, communicate openly, and seek solutions rather than blame. For example, if a project misses a deadline, an above-the-line response might be, "Let's review what happened and how we can adjust our process moving forward." This approach encourages learning and continuous improvement, reinforcing a culture of accountability.
Below-the-line behaviors, in contrast, are characterized by blame, denial, and defensiveness. Leaders exhibiting these patterns may avoid responsibility, make excuses, or react emotionally. For instance, when faced with a challenge, a below-the-line reaction could be, "This wasn't my fault. The team didn't deliver." Such responses can erode trust and stifle growth. When leaders recognize these behaviors in themselves or others, it's important to pause, acknowledge the reaction, and consciously choose to shift above the line. This might involve asking reflective questions like, "What part did I play in this outcome?" Or, "How can I support the team to overcome this challenge?"
As a leader, your responses set the tone for your entire organization. When you encounter above-the-line behaviors in your team, reinforce them by acknowledging contributions and encouraging further ownership. For example, praise team members who proactively address issues or bring forward new ideas. When facing below-the-line behaviors, redirect the conversation toward solutions. Avoid assigning blame, and instead focus on what can be learned and changed for future success. Modeling this balanced, constructive approach will foster a culture where everyone feels empowered to grow.
Above and below-the-line behaviors shape the culture of your organization. By recognizing these patterns and responding thoughtfully, leaders can inspire accountability, trust, and growth. Consistently modeling above-the-line behaviors will help your team and your organization reach its full potential.